court or Dormaahene. The court, no, Yamin Chardia. MJ cited Sammorduah for contempt. So I can bencham or Swaswan home, and in Namedi, they show a Sampahene. At the Bedani court, ye, any intiminco, and I ain't Timinco proby. Need just some woman say, Sammorduah lawyer buyer. And the lawyer buyer, your kind of say, he's new to the case. Once he's new to the case, the court should give him that leverage. Now, go ahead, documents in the Bayer. Or be court in but officially, the lawyer came in the capacity say Sammorduah and now to Sampa or me Jan in name non canasem. I am an phobia and an Asantehene and a police for Asantehene. And original minister and an Asanteman said when she and Pat or Cheshire and Pat or Yaka Ben Sam your name Sampahene. But on the record, and your name Sampahene. She almost a large fee. The machine if you know Berekum.
The machine if you in the DC.
And no machine if you know friend or friend money buys so much one and one sem. From there no go track Marco Berekum back to Berekum. At the lorry station. And now say be in Crawford Kubi, a co unificanum. I'm telling you, it's an authority station right from Sampa lorry station. Oko Berekum. And I'm co unificam and then
I'm going to unificam.
Sammorduah shall be in Crawford.
Do you have evidence?
Oh, I'm now saying I make an until to take me on. Then they call a friend and Kukwan. A coin so while fish Sampa wouldn't be our honor. And then on that road, they brutally murdered the man, innocent man. Omodia Babu Bono, Bono Kuno, Bono Kuno, Shabi. He died in pain, he died, Shabi. Name is Usa. But he can't say Shabi Sammorduah say the death of Alhaji Abdullah and Asante.
I was not for me church will be a kwaba at the bar by Grace Tea. So this is a trading upon your copa, Obia here, and there's a bedin commobian name say, a cocoa to Aba, Eddie for Sampans and so. Now, Yamiatum, Yana Sampa, this year no be her. Court, you see your potty, your court to come here, and it is here the ocean over to the boss. No church in them, Eddie, and the answer, Berekum, no matter the brandy aquaba, near to a boss, I can come on. What is it? Boko dear.
Odobroni announce it.
Don't miss me where you so there be a shall say, American so now down with the actual.
Odobroni shall be a friend, a mass, and to let someone that flash Sampahene shall be no fast here, Nimpon, enemy.
And the young shay, and I must like a more court, Commercial Court, for Sampa and Saint
Odobroni, I think before you address your court in the I think there are some contentious issues because was Sampa. I say you have to address them. First of all, I'm saying DC and the member of parliament and government. I imagine show much the 24-hour market economy. Marketing beyond no. The people are saying they don't want it. The reason why they don't want it is Sebi, your crewman me who crew for market. It's more than 20 years. Amubugu ya munsie. Near can say they be a market that done one. Timamofone say they should allow the market to be there. Na asasi ananum sebi omunim de omunyan samu amucha to ono. Omunkono munkosi that 24-hour market economy one. We are not against development and we are not against anybody trying to bring that needed development to the people. But we are saying is say the be on beso musi market no. Emwa. Emma a man for a loan, a man for rent, a man for shops. Now demolish our structure now. In front of the command, yeah, can one room brass, DC on Tiase, the member of parliament on Tiase, no munion to say, the Judiciary can say they don't want the market, the 24 market economy where the old market ever no. They be on say marketing. They should take it to the new side. There'll be a police station, there'll be a kindergarten, and there'll be fire service. Just a market yes. They should take it there. They call my ebedo mwasi. And secondly, MJ Rahoshem, MJ Sebi Ira Dagbon Efimu and of Yana Fimu, and we want to show solidarity with the people of Dagbon. Sampa new mo for the Tibiano before the regent in the basis, you know, a bit one amutu na ya betanechi, na bibia IFA, ti ubishamia, and then a court or Dormaahene, the court, you know, Yamin Chardia. MJ cited Sammorduah for contempt. So I can bencham or Swaswan home and in Namedi they show Sampahene. At the Bedani court, ye any intiminco, and I ain't Timinco proby. Ye Tian said the Beko court now down court in the Senate here. Tia the Kodani court. MJ back and forth, now court not Tiashada, back and forth or Trashada. A court in Shabi, and she said, in Nejumatia. And there a buyer, court na ka che o mo yi asem na ko 28th of October. The 28th of October no na krata bia se fata bia no ma serve Sammorduah. And any just say Sammorduah lawyer buy. And the lawyer buy no can say he's new to the case. The once he's new to the case, the court should give him that leverage. Now ko head documents in the beya obejina court no mo be hu ni obeka. Court so say be amon tia. Ojitumu, but it's equally important say be can say the court will be on legal vacation and now the judicial service will be on legal vacation. Omu call legal vacation. The legal vacation no judge ni nim dia ni nsusu ni nyansam no or they ko share 28th of October. 28th of October no sebi se Sammorduah bo wambo the court to proceed on. Because that time na be se fata bia no na sebi ya tu sana mutu no edana kwem Odaroma, and then the court will make that frank judgment to the people of this country. And you be say me answer this here.
Okay, let's say ashase na we afofro ho and afofro ba na say we the lawyer afi no be
Odaroma em say okwa no mo bia be si na nan say, but officially the lawyer came in the capacity say Sammorduah and now to Sampa o me jani nan no kan asem e ba ni say man ye fe ti say be what document you have serve no kwa you can serve it on the lawyer. We serve on the lawyer Sammorduah ntimi ka say ohun ye e san say wa ma court na dia tum say asimasi na me lawyer e na Peter Nkansa e na say bi obejema Sammorduah friend Peter Nkansa the lawyer Peter Nkansa Odaroma no obejema na say obejema man dia bibie ni na say bi ye hwe na ehun na you said the lawyer the serve lawyer na no so ama Sammorduah so ati say na Ghana America say na Ghana ni nanya.
Okay, Sammorduah na mu de no the lawyer na buy
Odaroma say okay what ubayo anawamo as long as you have made a representation in that authority. What signs say Sammorduah na simimra hanoma say ubayo wamo of course you can choose not to come, but the fact that you made the lawyer to make a representation clearly tells you that you were there. Nti ye matima mfo nti aje ubayo say wamo the lawyer was there and lawyer ne be can say na Sammorduah aka che no exactly. And this sanity there Sammorduah was right there. We have to understand that principle.
Okay. Now on the part of Nana Gyafla, me say no. I don't business na omo kan na Gyafla. I don't buy na kan na Gyafla.
Oh, na no ma Asanteman beta na echi.
Okay.
Sa na ye mutimi bu ni mo ba no mo doso. Ti Asanteman beta na echi ezan say Asanteman nim say no kan no kre. Enti say bi o beta na echi e ma na ye fe. So clearly, enti so if you look at the atmosphere in the court, there was a demonstration that Asanteman really want to find out and want to ensure that finality we brought to this matter. Tia him fufu a se bi ira chumu o meta ira chi. Ema na ye fe Odaroma.
Now on the part of ensensum ya ekoso nyina ohwemu a ade bechi na say na si ade bechi say asem no kure bi adu say na fufura ba bom. Ye case last time we share na ye twen say Chief Justice Eden anu ye be about respect to Sammorduah petition. Chief Justice abekasa
Odaroma.
Okasa yenyante won ka.
Odaroma. And of course it's important that we commend the Chief Justice. Now you done say na ya mana hu Sampa
skeptical
exactly. Of course it's important say be on TV bi ase na nipa no tusa na mutu na it's equally important say obama nipa na tia ase Sampa the NF enti omo sure that document na come Chief Justice no oba be yi na no Sampa asema aka ne nto asomu enti come to the court na be yi wa no enti Chief Justice e dey assembly to one man aka say come to the court e be yi na no ene Odaroma ne lawyer buy clearly she be the lawyer na nyansane and that document na she be wo ka no the lawyer na wakofa no wahu ti wahu dia that was a representation e buy enti e Chief Justice abaso ye kan wa be yi ano
because you kasa 2 days time
exactly and obe yi ano ti wa be yi ano Sampa in some aka no ento asuma the Chief Justice has demonstrated that indeed he is willing to serve the people of this country, and that is why we believe that at the end of the day that is how the judiciary have to work. Obi need to mention obi and obi so hu nya fence no obi a but Odaroma be any time and again say me sisiu na meji wa de e se mra no enimidi e ba ne sha na e de ahotoso e de anije e na de nkabom e ba kru na ye nya timu no.
Wow. The Chief Justice response no asamba ko boss no say Sammorduah so onye save commas the Chief Justice ya no say aye mo na Gyafla yes the video audio visual evidence be ka ho bre no a Sammorduah no make appearance of Kumasi High Court na chiye city so a work freely amount for budget so nti bia no we che say Kumasi we be NDP
afterthought afterthought enti ni shema na na eboshrem ka ha shebi they feel that the Chief Justice is not reasonable and they feel that people of this country are not following the case. It's the visual of the can't see be an court in Nigeria. There be any canisha. Shebi yen kan sha enye bibia na be kan court ni be je atum sha esan share ti se ne o kan video tina chin asi so
yeah man fans
aka be akaka ben sam wanum enti de na asi and as you save. Tina in Toronto Odi, but he felt like he wanted to delay the matter. And the intention of for instance, Sammorduah and in Crawford, they want to delay the matter.
Oh, okay.
Including another Dormaahene friends and politicians, Omusho Mutia, Omutusana Mutu, no time. And Kosi baby, at the end of the day, there will be judgment. Okay. And say judgment in about President Mama cannot save you.
Okay.
All right, another man cannot save you. I keep on saying
you
so.
Say he's relying on.
Oh, he's relying. He has relied.
No substantial.
No, he has relied excessively on another man. Another man na senator. Why another man take that advantage? And no din tro. What that man because you din tro. It's what that man. The reason why there be is in support and sometimes we mix it in plain language. Oh no, I understand. I respect my law. Me say me na say be wa yan kofa. Oh, okay. Many about in Chinese shall be mean can't someone say be born in tia. But otime e that dan for muji tum sham passabi Asanteman GBF Bono for honor. And I mean Berekum Mempene and I'm Soko and I'm Berekum. But the question you need to ask yourself, or the legal question you need to ask yourself is the fact that San Crony Nano. Almost Asanteman and almost Asanteman. Now uji tum shana. Why will you lie to the people say and I Bono for? And a Bono for. You know very well, say when you're born, a friend saying, a Dianani. Now, a Diana, and I wouldn't. Okay, can't say, I'm not talking for some politician. Are you sure? I do my Juma. I say so respect.
Chieftaincy.
So let me explain to you. The reason why politicians want to use it is said, or my mom forbid you to Sampa, Asanteman, jeans, I see you or Bono, and Asanteman there. And he said, Sebi, okay, can't say no. Na a Thomas Sumana Banphobia, a banny Bob Agents as in Yamomo. That was the argument. And so said mechanics, that was the argument. And that is the argument that he advanced.
A banana take Yasuna. I said,
sir. But when you look at the political trajectory and look at the history of this country, you find out the role Asanteman play. The role are the people of Dagbon. The role are the people of the Kusasi. The Gonja people play and so they boom say Ghana for. Obia playing a role and Obia wa kwenye odi. Sebi and now Sebi mina na top from where oye Dormaahene. Sebi odawma amanye ni amamre besi bia na Dagbon for na beye. Aban bia na obetimi aye. NDC aban MPP aban eni tumi. Eni so mko say Dagbon for the people of Dagbon who decide say ampa when a regent. So when a regent after the regent, now money and I'm maybe a sefata be no more ye. Now fi ya peja yeni abaku na wabe tran kunya so na wabe sum Dagbon for. We will not allow the politician and we are not going to allow the political elite to influence this process. We are going to allow the people of Dagbon to make sure say ampa omo to shana mutunu na di asumbiya banum. Enti at all time we say that is how the politician behave. And shana na Dormaahene or to shana mutunu e da danko for. But say ojitum say ampa when o to me say osi Sampahene. When o to me say sebi osi sablugun lana. Oti ase a obi say ampa yewra otimi was Sampa. Sebi yewra yana otimi was sablungu. E ba ni shana e de ani die e de ebu e ma ye nyina ye tran Ghana hanum. But na Dormaahene an hu ne sha.
I like to say proud to cross a bit. I brand same way Shasi and Ekoso. You were in touch with another man. Now he was okay. Yeah, or territories.
Exactly. And so he was doing politics. He was doing politics. But I've not
na Shasi and not territories.
The reason why we are saying so respect and we are saying so with the fact that shall be in another Dormaahene.
Oh, okay.
All right. I can't want to brush here. Of course, you same year net make about. Sebi abani senti ese kan yene na neti. Yenim anamutubi ane tubiano. Your money ya aware. No territory. He was aware, but he felt he was a view. He thought Sebi to let some Gyafla. Ebenya bia no abetran bun honum na oni edi Sebi wadaroma. Nsem hunu a Sebi odi. No, the reason why nsem no wadaroma. This me sure wadaroma. The reason why odi ansem ni say I'm not time. Oh no, the one more time. And our man for woo and now the young abba. Or a reasonable person or a learned person on him de. This on him dear. Now say be called can someone. And it's your buso. But all creating impression be say obi na ACC obi. And the young cost entisa. Young Koso. The Yamikaso Sebi Wadarma and Sembia no dinens and fata.
Any concept was
no Wadarma. No, I say young Kanisha. People may not know how painful it is.
Okay.
It's very painful. It's very painful. It's very painful. Why will you do that?
Okay.
Dear Nebemoyesa, V0w was a wound to me, so she Sampahene. V0w was a Sampa, your lawyer, knew your judge, we are Pico judge. Now, if it's a Sammorduah Sina, and you're caught in the down. I didn't have an inco, Emma caught in Casaman, not the Bian Udinam, in Tentenua, now to 2 Ampere, now to 2 Ampere, and Sampa. So when I say so with pain.
As what should be say, or say, na or techi, you say, Kabia, Nanubu, and Gyafla, every so we not Kawatina.
Sanity.
Oh,
Sanity, Senior Bayer, now commercial and penny, and no 2 4. But I see, shall be the pastor or so. Maybe to be your men to me, Asantehene. Meant to me. What I say, and I will, Juma, I mean to me, but Yame Dumo, not say good Vimawa. So me, okay. Meant to me, Bobo, to have the pele. Meant to me, Bobo, to send him up. So anytime Obi succeed, I celebrate that person.
Or was there ever an attempt to be a two and move your cars and be at Mamma who say, now person on your flat is where we are until no yes until the normal come home. Of
course, we very well we know we understand the story. And I said you are Daruma. Yeah, some of for men in the American say in same yana kabite, near can say and shall to Sana Mutuno. Say or me and no kayo. So be no kayo. Ni nema wa yin subsequently et share amount pay face ampa. Sebi as only Asante. Asem. Then any Asante. Sebi then any Asante. Ofa. Our female and son abedi na the overside hanum. There's document, there's a legal document to prove.
That's true.
Say ampa ofa ebeside hanum. Back will be sana because I no cre. Na wanyan kra totofe. No sebi umdi nechi. No mu to ayampia, no mu kanshim. But of course, near can say eden anchenche. Exactly. And he said, I'm ready. At the end of the day, the finality we brought to this matter. Nothing never can boom. Now you heard Ghana, seen a Ghana for BDA. Today, there's a huge unemployment rate. Ghana for Mabun, Timenia, Jumanya. Among for quite here. That is the responsibility of who you are. You engage the government, any government, not Casasa and passing their course. What is the policy? Government in one mouth in terms of your community now. This is a policy the government have for you. Maybe almost about 600 young people out of university, training college. What is the government doing to us, to absorb them? Okay. And then I say, oh, your friends saying, or mine here now you engage the government. Okay. Oh, you don't engage the government. You don't do that. Okay. All right. So think about your people. You better shine in an animal ahimfo. In an ahimamai throughout the Asante nation. That's a Omo MP. No Omo friends. The president come to them. They should be bold and tell the president, look, our people here, they are looking for a job. What are you doing? Sinebeya, my man for Benya Ajuma. What are you doing? You can buy them and then you can store them and then people will make a good living. These are the argument, and these are the issues that we should engage ourselves in. Now, Sebi, Debia, Yampia now to say, and Asante flag, and no, you're not serious. You're not prepared to to defend your people. There can say, they should be critical of the government. Your government, whether MPP or NDC government, they should call them out every day. Emma, Abai, Nibi, Emma Munchen. Emma name part of the I MP me peka, and minister me peka, and share can minister one. Be discipline, and tell the government say empowerment for are looking for job. They are looking for the needed infrastructure. What I say, school, some hospital, and some. That is what the traditional leadership should be telling government.
Now, maybe it's a in this say a brand Gyafla. The bush up any no bush right here, or say, oh, see, Kotokofi, in Asanteman, Nemum, Reka.
Nakasumjaba. Exactly, Nakasumjaba. Attorney, Nanka said, you move to Ayampia in the name of politics.
Wow.
And I'm saying, Odobroni did so in politics. And I have nothing wrong with you. You can be an NDC person, you can be MPP person, you can be CP person. There's nothing wrong. But two sana mutuna bisa say so. Except for Tana, they say Christo baby sha and I Presbyterian. And Anamutuami, I friend Anamutuami too. So Radianiana. Say Anamutuami too, so Radianiana. It's up to you. But Namutuan and Dormaahene too, and so Radianiana. Then so Radiani, as I said, be in Tono dear. Wadauma.
So Namiadma October was me
Wadauma 28.
What are your expectations?
There's the expectation that there will be finality to the matter. There will be finality to the matter. But maybe a Sammorduah will be an own Sampa. Only he knows. Only Sampa there will be finality. And he will be tried. contempt in every any beba. Or you any ba, I'm telling him, say, President Mama cannot save him. Chabi, Chama won't you know, Asante Regional Chairman, Emma Party MPP.
Yeah.
So, Oman is saying
20 years.
20 years.
Okay.
Of course, you can.
No one is above the law.
No, so of course, maybe when your godfather be, you can get a godfather in government, and he think the godfather can protect you. But when the godfather is no more there, you'll be punished. But in the can say the law should not allow the godfather to exit. And it's a godfather, if you want to punish you, who didn't send behind Sampa, the law should punish you.
I saw somebody time with that number. Hence, now boy, at the end, content you can call for Uncle
Baby, and catch it in coffin and then the lawyer a say. The lawyer then and the lawyer can't check out. So, or new to the case, ain't he a man in red? Ain't he near can say, let nobody think say he's above the law.
Okay.
Chama to me is a clear case. Say nobody's above the law. Somebody can mislead you. Nobody is above the laws of this country. It's in the can say on that day, you pronounce the right thing has to be done. And I say ever say police for. And I can be a chumo. Of course, any him say Bobra, say Queen, say Didi. But they should be disciplined not to allow the politician to influence them. So they be MP police for say be a politician for influence you. Say be there not the bema. There not the man. I hear what I say, but sound Sampa and I'm mutu a utu no som na som ye. Usum na som ye a Erade be se ne honi munyam o brabo mo. Erade se bi be kwan mama. Ba ya wadun se bi usisa ma yofo ati. Amomo aye dedua se bi oda ma wani me begu ase. Ye kan se omo som Ghana. Crown na egda ha no e Ghana for na dia momo e na Ghana for na ti omuka. E Ghana for na ti omuka na omoma ahobrase se bi no kredie. Emma anamutu omutu no na Ghana for nie.
In the claims of Gyafla, so when he prays to the court, the court, and you stress Kanyame, the court into an amount say, the mass with Jim Ocean Gyafla, and someone cast out the court down court or cited somebody for contempt. Now, chair say, oh, is there somebody you have to sir? Or could you maybe be assessed? But when I said 21st February, or an alcohol fish, sir. Meanwhile, when your mind or your mind, I will be. And no Chemwa, Sanso Kobana for 25th February, a brand normal catastrophe for the Alice Center, or course, why your mind. And the church so can say 6th of March Ghana for Fida. Yeah, you're Queen Ama Sampahene in Aba. Or say from tomorrow it is goes to say or a Sampahene. Another flash say enters are why impersonating the court on share. Don't fast switching yes.
And there are available evidence on them. So once the evidence is there, it's in a canon. I'm an phobia and an Asantehene and a police for Asantehene. When original minister and Dormaahene said and he had that privilege and that leverage and an OSA. But why the only way and the only forum that we can go is to go to court and tell court that this ABCD and why it is a statute for contempt. Child is ready at the court to court name. Court me about and probably Sampa the air cannot say Binyansa and pa or church or pa or Yakaka Bensam your name Sampahene. But on the record and your name Sampahene. But the Sana court to Benyan so or my judgment. No reasonable person in this country can say yes, it will be. Another Dormaahene who happened to be the appeal court judge cannot say yes, it will be. Because you cannot say the National House of Chief you will not accept it. You and now you allow people who are within the National House of Chief and they influence you thinking that they can do anything. You can't do that.
Okay. This is here. I don't do I they are between the court now boy be bias but since here I get quick. Baby na gusu gusa. Except that we actually yes ye bonipa ye kumunipa man for Japan yes was Sampa. We learned say Nana Samba Gyafla Abranti of born a train man of Kanti.
Yes, ye kunuka.
Dan chen a large beans one is all Berekum.
Omakunu of course, omoshi a large fee. The machine if you know Berekum. And a DC no or Sampa and a DC no etun friends omra. Na say bi omisane this year. And there are large fee or no. A large fee in Crawford Bebre and DC for.
A friend large there.
A large Abdullah.
Omo,
ne Sebi, need this na NDC for me to a buying at my NDC by buying. No, we are to a bar mount. Now by buy more. Now I could trust and so kuno.
To almost see fee in the DC.
And almost see fee no friend or friend of money buys so much one and 17. From there, no could track Marco Berekum back to Berekum. At the lorry station. And now Sebi in Crawford Kubi, the Kuyini Canum. I'm telling you, it's an authority station right from Sampa lorry station.
Okay, yeah,
Berekum. I don't go unify and then
I'm on a coin Africa.
Sammorduah ne shabi ne nkrofo.
Do you have evidence?
Oh, I'm now saying me na make no. They should take me on.
Okay.
They should take me on. They should take me on. And brutally, they almost didn't call a friend and kukwan a coin so wow fish Sampa kukwan couldn't be our honor. And then on that road, they brutally murdered the man. Innocent man. Almost their Bible Bono. Bono kuno. Bono kuno. Shabi. He died in pain. He died. Shabi. Name is Usha. But you can't say Shabi Sammorduah say the death of Alhaji Abdullah and a Kante.
Kante so the other say.
Kante Shabi Kante ko to drama ni papa. Na o mo ko fun about say o beto drama no. Ye fieti and anko for no to share Kante so no mo aba ensi Kante twa no.
I want you bibi.
Onya bibia dey na Kante dey na Kante o Kante ni bibia. Ni bon ni share Shabi Kante ye moja ejanze Kofi na Kofi soon the second edition no. Owo wi. Enti Shabi se sana tie dey out to let some Gyafla echi. Enti say ekunu and they kill.
That's a chrono.
I can't take quite.
Sabena police and I'll be no stop.
Oh no, but that is why we are saying all of us are waiting and we believe say at the end of the day, say committal case in a cost you try you can't Sammorduah judgment you will see what is going to happen in there. We are telling government that we are not going to allow government to intimidate anybody. Okay. It's up to government to be disciplined. It's up to government to be truthful to the people. As I say, Ansana, if she be here, your mama be tranquil. Ghana for the two Abamano. Ansana be MP. Ghana for the two Abama. Ansana be DC. Ghana for the two Abama party. And a party na be usually DC. And Tema refill 4 years. Which me asan come back. You come back. I be Sampa. So. Anamutu na be tu no eso Christiani na eso timamufoni na na mutu a tu say so timamufoni na say aso Christiani
say omo a sabi allegedly omo kun abrantie Kante ene Alhaji Abdullah ya chi obi ana.
The matter is a criminal matter and so much omo are going to pursue the matter as you speak now omo because no the friends and the district police command are no honor clearly he was complicit shebi compromising no. No, Adamudia because say only Adamudia, you know, be indisciplined. As Shabon should be indisciplined. Now, so Adamudia, a bunch of no credit on to Minka. It is your own to Minka, Omontobia, but what Kumobia, any judge are pro. At the end of the day, once judgment is given, crime has no expiration date, and we will ensure that the right thing will be done and justice will be served. Kante, Alhaji Abdullah, justice will be served.
What is the DC? Because this is more dissect District Security Council. DC.
My office, my incro. In the office, my incro, he think probably he can manipulate the system. He's not trying to show respect.
At the expense of human lives?
At the expense of human life. Because we are DC. Now, Fisuma, Bishan Sampa, and Okran. You take that position by our politics. In this uncle for no government official has come to your fee. Abashe and Pa, say nobody. But you have no problem.
The regional minister?
Oh, no, he cannot come there. The regional minister cannot come there. No, here he's the godfather of this crisis. He's the godfather of this chaos.
Wow.
He is the person fueling this whole thing. Because what this Sammorduah Sika Bebre, a Bono Chrono Bebre, in this official, the regional minister, no, I say, Obwa Nashebi. And Sampa, destabilize Sampa. But destabilize Sampa, one destabilize Sampa. Your term will end. Once your term on, you go. Now, call Nashebi, the next regional minister of Ebana, the next regional police commander of Ebana of that document. Don't because one there, Sampahene, he will see the document. And then definitely, we believe time is the process. And at the end of the day, time no ebe vindicated to let someone Gyafla have vindicated Asanteman near ye have no share a man a shebi omo koba amatima shebi omo he or abusia. That's our problem. Omo na de bia dani danya no they mo frustrate you mo near can say omo protect you mo
is she be brave to feel
omo protect you mo no mo ndi omo dwa say na be omo betimi ahwe omo abusia na shebi ye di aba omo afan. That's our priority.
You make a chat on afia
odama near can say na ya back court na 28 na shebi Omode Amaye on October. Until by 28, to let some Sammorduah na file document be as a fatabia I want to show. Until he cannot come back again to the court and can say he's not aware of the process. Until they can say we want to tell the people that Sammorduah will be charged for contempt. As I say, what two anamutu be and Samfata. Anamutu na watu nisha or show Sampahene. By a Kogan Amramu and I call Amaniani Amamrima to let some Gyafla and Sampahene. Now to Shana Mutuna, cause because of Sampa and he will cite. Yes, I'm saying that nobody in this country can defend it. I'm saying, I say so respect. and I say so with authority that nobody in this country since why you say should be echi and Dormaahene say we no ka say who is he na Dormaahene why he's like me
so you're a
paramount chief a president of the Wadarma a paramount chief and the president of the Bono regional house of chief exactly but meanwhile once you hold those titles you can say exactly. You can be the president, you can be so you are not over the law. And so once you're not over the law and then Emrani Kasa, none of the bank cannot defend you. But meanwhile, I mislead you. Why you sue? Or do I a Juma Nesi? And the court will deal with you and Ganamra will deal with you.
Wow. And I have boss sound.
And another mind baby I see a can't to let some of the flat. MC no fever, no fever, no fever. Eden or Bodino, not Dino or Macho Dino or no, to let some of the flat. To your Yansania.
That's what Dormaahene is aware, sir.
Oh, yeah, and I'm sure
why is he misleading somebody?
No, he's not. No, it's not only somebody no misleading. A group of people, a whole generation, and no misleading.
Okay.
A whole generation is now Asantehene to know, and Asantehene say, and Asantehene. But at the end of the day, the truth is coming out.
Okay.
Sampa, Berekum Asante. Berekum beswai, one beswai.
Obeswai.
I want to beswai. And okay. Say no credit. Why do you tell the people say no credit? And I'm almost say, Omunya Gidi be Sampahene, all kind of credit. And I'm say Bun Champion, you know, there's a character, there's a boy who called me. I don't want to mention the name. Say boy be a friend for you Gideon, whatever. He keep on misleading the people. He said, but for you Gideon, yeah, brother. The question you need to ask yourself for you Gideon. Ask yourself, say, who papa your friend is saying, who mommy your friend saying, we shall be no female. And you teach Asanteman and say, no, be just a pammy fifa. What do you say? And say, my own transit and Kaze, touch my. But I didn't trust your Bono, Bono baby, Gino credit to me, not see as a Sampa, Asanteman, a Bono. Fako court. Now Dormaahene, a judge, a pico judge. Go and challenge it. Say for interpretation. You can go and seek the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court for interpretation. That look, Nana era Asanteman, Otumfo say, Bono, media, higher media, and then okay. Now I challenge you court. Who challenge you court now? Not court in the Moyaba. Until that, Yera and an assassin. Bibiano basis, and nothing will change. When you two no more say nothing is going to change. And they should not allow themselves to be mislead. So also for me, Bun champion, a bit more for me. Old former Bun champion now the but then why don't you say over to Asantehene and see and then see that Debbie. You're the you are not a year na farmer. But now why don't you say be over could be a share? See that Debbie see that Odama so can't Odama
and what can you know? And there was ya amas. Why this brand here? It was Sampahene, not Sampa Gyafla just mean offers. No, and like as our church in same day, what two a munch na see Yankasa. Kumase High Court na finya kopo ya ma bre epemu accord ya kwere kwa ese do ade be koso bi esa de munchemu anyone ma yebo abesom because one by grace TV say the pa bebre yeah de besom no mpa na yebo asema mass break am ayebasa akra ye kum ipa o Sampa just like that up to now omonte security bambofo mpanyimfo bi anka abamu mpanyimfo bi obi yi na MPO DC obi anka sa ye kwa ya na ase ba ti sie ne pese e kire man no e ba sa be ha ye se bi atumnya nchina Sammorduah paint no obi nyame dia and money here, you have a bonny now to a chat. Now, some job, but seeing any brass, some pants, and there be a dear chair. You didn't want the person. Your person money here, you money be able to chat. Now, as some you back, near my gun, it's me fun to my friend. Yeah, that's all you do. Now, she no can see it to feel what you might have a 4-bedroom house, 21. So, if you need trouble for number, if you're running in Casa, there will be unquay and from much my ability for life, Pemper College Hall Corner, a 10 minutes drive and road through. The BB Aquarium. Alfei, a year obituary enterprise, Kumasi South Interest Junction, Opa Tari Papa, and Papa Perfume Papa, the Kumasi South Interest Junction Hall, and an obituary enterprise with Yankwe. They don't go to an amount of BB Anque and from my affirmations account for the amount. Say, a Better Grace Financial Services, Ghana from American Canada Insurance Company Papa, Financial Company Papa, the Eba Open one, Better Grace Financial Services. Name so for how born what no says Ghana bus or pension. Now here's Combatam Sika Boom Diama, tax free. And a brown says Ghana, so how near money be back. Then on 20 minutes, maybe Mama Shock of Miss Obey Media, Mama Show, man, so of Miss Omabi Yapon, and as a college. Finally, a recharge your automobile say, oh, per car, choose some of a Caribbean Crow, Ubenya, son of car. Now they are Bobra. I feel also can't crowd where is what chair, upper ton, but who not of a Fakuma recharge your ton can, no do seek amount. After we are buying you money, when you can't be out there, but to seek some of former For pay slip kwa no munye share mama aka ni bi no tua kakra afi ahemfo asofo ne mo address so wetin no man share mama aka no tua kakra o wa kontu na person to car de be o ma no papa o dofo bia e ma bibia ha free charge o mo be bo ma so wasna to car if akontum ama bedu Ghana so a o mo agent bi report o be bo o mo yi kan je free ama bibia ayi di ama but that's all je bre na o hwe me nyame kan maka bye bye.